Hello everyone, welcome back to another day of our daily vlog. I hope you all are doing great. Let's get started with today's update. So today I woke around 9:30 a.m. in the morning and had to get ready real quickly because my work start at 10 a.m. There wasn't much time to relax in the morning, but so I just got ready, grabbed what I needed, and joined work as usual. Although I skipped bathing today, but as I have already done it yesterday night, so I didn't think I will need it. Today workout was honestly one of the work day was honestly one of more difficult once I have started recently. I had recently. I wasn't just working on development tasks. I also had multiple deployment related tasks to handle at the same time. Managing both uh, development and deployment together can get pretty stressful because one small mistake can affect everything. So on top of that, the browser automation testing has been also been running for a long time. In fact, right now I'm recording this vlog. This is automation testing is still running in the background, and it's been one of those day when you are constantly checking logs, waiting for tests to finish, fixing error issues, and then checking back again. Around 1 p.m. I finally took a lunch break and relaxed for about an hour until 2 p.m. The break was definitely needed because the rest of the day was packed with work. After lunch, I was straight back to work. The tasks just keep coming, and because I knew it, the day has almost disappeared. Even though I was busy, I still managed to stay consistent with my fitness goal. So between like 7 p.m. to 8 p.m., I somehow managed to fit in my workout. It wasn't easy balancing work and exercise, but I'm happy I didn't skip it. Another thing was that mom wasn't home today, so I also had to take care of the home responsibility around ha, around the house after work, during work too. Sometimes you realize how many little things need to be done, so somehow isn't when someone isn't there. So after finishing work and my workout, there was still responsibilities waiting for me. By the time everything was done, it was already 9 p.m. and then we had to leave for a marriage function. We spent a couple of hours there. Finally came back around like 11 p.m. and the moment I reached home, I didn't even feel like creating this vlog because I was mentally exhausted from work, physically tired from the workout, and everything. I have all the responsibility and the long day overall. But I still wanted to stay committed to this daily blog challenge. So before going to sleep, I picked up the camera and started recording this vlog. Oh, even if day is tiring, I am happy that I sort of for work responsibility, my workout. Also completed my 10K steps in middle of that, and most importantly, I didn't break the streak of uploading these daily vlogs. Uh, that's all for day 182. If you enjoyed today's vlog, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment because your support keep me motivated to continue this journey every single day. I'll see you tomorrow with day 183. That also gonna be packed with so many tasks and things can even describe. Until then, tata, bye bye.